Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter how hard you work, your bank account never seems to grow. You're trading hours for dollars, sacrificing time with family, missing out on life. And for what? To make someone else rich? To live paycheck to paycheck, always worried about bills. The truth is, relying on a single source of income is a financial trap. And with the economy constantly shifting, layoffs, inflation, and unexpected expenses, the risk is even greater. But what if I told you there's another way? A way to make money while you sleep. A way to stop depending on a job and start building real wealth. Today, I'll show you how to create passive income streams in 2025, step by step. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share the one strategy that made a regular guy into a billionaire. Let's dive in. 5. Invest in your skills, not others' dreams. Most people make one crucial mistake. They invest in businesses or stocks they don't understand. That's why 90% of businesses fail. They jump into real estate without knowing the market. They dump money into crypto without research, or they start a side hustle they don't even enjoy. Instead, invest in what you already know. What are you good at? What skills do you have? Leverage your expertise to create digital products, courses, or even a consulting business. Example, Alex Hormozy started with nothing. He focused on his skill, helping businesses grow. Instead of investing in random ventures, he mastered sales and marketing. Today, he's worth over $100 million. And guess what? His passive income streams include courses, books, and mentorships that generate money even when he's sleeping. 4. Create and sell digital products. One of the easiest ways to build passive income is by creating digital products. Unlike physical goods, they require no inventory, no shipping, and no customer service headaches. E-books, templates, stock photos, and online courses are gold mines. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Teachable allow you to sell your knowledge with little effort. Example, Graham Cochran, a musician, started a YouTube channel sharing tips on recording music. He turned his knowledge into an online course and now earns over $1 million per year, passively. 3. Automated online businesses. E-commerce and print-on-demand stores have changed the game. The best part? You don't need to hold inventory. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon KDP, you can create a business that runs on autopilot. Dropshipping, selling digital art, or print-on-demand apparel allows you to sell products without handling logistics. Example, Adrian Morrison built a dropshipping business selling niche products. Using Facebook ads and automation, he scaled it to $10 million a year, with most of it running hands-free. So 2. Build a YouTube or blogging business. Content creation is one of the most powerful passive income streams. Why? Because once you create a video or blog post, it keeps making money forever. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The best part? You don't need millions of followers. Even a small audience in a niche can bring in thousands per month. Example, Ali Abdal, a doctor, started making productivity videos on YouTube. Now, he earns over $4 million per year, mostly passive, through ad revenue, online courses, and sponsorships. Step 1. Affiliate marketing and subscription businesses. The ultimate passive income stream is affiliate marketing and subscription-based businesses. You promote other people's products and earn commissions, or you create a membership model where people pay you every month. Subscription businesses provide steady, recurring income. Think of Netflix, Spotify, or Patreon. Example, Pat Flynn built Smart Passive Income, a blog teaching people about online business. His income? Over $200,000 per month, most of it from affiliate marketing and memberships. Final thoughts, the secret billion-dollar strategy. So, what's the strategy that made someone a billionaire? The key is scalability. Look at Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett. They didn't trade time for money. They built systems that worked for them. That's how they became billionaires. If you want financial freedom, stop thinking like an employee. Think like an investor and creator. Build systems, automate, scale. So, which passive income idea will you start today? Drop a comment below and let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.